Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As most of you guys know, the Ridstar is broken. Today we're going to be fixing it and riding. Let's get to it. Okay, the battery's still charging, and while that's charging, let's get the Ridstar in and fix it. Let's put the battery on. Alright, let's get this extra hot glue off. Alright, so we have it off. Yeah, right there. I think if I cut more wire open, it's going to be easier to do that. So I cut the tip off, and let's see. I think it'll do better because there's a little bit more exposed wire. It's way easier to do that. Alright guys, it's glued. As you can see, the light's still on. It did take a little while and a few tries, but it is good to be back. I haven't ridden this bike in like a week. Alright, we literally have everything done. I did put the ODI plate back on. I'm all suited up, and now let's go ride. Alright guys, we're outside. And it's been a while since I filmed one of these. After we mod the Razor, which will happen soon, hopefully, then I'll buy a Sur-On throttle and mod the Ridstar. Whoa, that's crazy, it's hecka slick. Not trying to recreate last video. Whoa, that's so sketchy. Y'all, did I just save that or what? That's crazy. They have some trails in the back. I'm gonna go check those out. See a bunch of deer tracks here. Let's go this way. Whoa. Okay, I see that one too. Wait, I've never been on these trails. It's actually kind of sick. Wait, actually I think that's the lake. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so bulky here. Yo. Would that be a sick edit or what? I don't think it's thick enough though. Okay, right here it's like solid. Yeah, I could probably get it out here. Well, here goes a try. Okay, because right there is cracking. Not right there though. You can tell. Wow. That's crazy. Right here too. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that again. Got my shoe a little bit wet. Whoa. Oh, whoa, yo, look at that crack. Just quickly. Wait, dang, how's it not breaking? Let's try with this. Whoa, yeah, right here is just like bad. Oh, yeah. That's pretty sick. Oh, yeah, it cracked. Oh yeah. Alright, no more messing around. Yo, can we just like... Ridstar actually turned into a dirt bike? Alright, I'm gonna go put my gloves on. My hands are actually so cold. Oh shoot, I'm gonna go this way. Alright, let's go up there. Well, I didn't know there was another pond over here. Yo, what the heck? Might just go check it myself. Oh dang. No, this is actually like solid. Okay, well I don't know, I'm gonna go check the middle. Let me just quickly. Okay, yeah, it wants to slip. Tokyo Drift, dude. Alright. Whoa, like, yeah, it wants to slip. So guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.